Ka Jingshah Pynngat haki Kyndon ka Indian Penal Code IPC but Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order MMPO Act Arajar Shpo yakinoi lam ka Hinyo Trap Youth Council HYC namar ka Jinglet Kyndang but Prai ki Jingshah ki Poiwir Halom survey men ha ka arplai tre ujemmang arja arpsau kala penlong yo ba Roy Kuparsen ram u president ban ong bakinoi lam kin sa Jubab yo investigating officer Halor ka tay ka benta Uba Roy Kuparsen ram ulay thu boloyo pediang ya ka Jingshah khot hajar ha ka no phai sngi jo ka arpunyo tere ujemmang arja arpusau Bauhap anik mi hasadar police station ha ka sngi ka babur dakabaya thu sapang ka jingya lenti ka HYC hadu banda shim ya ka rai ban Kyndang hi ya ki Poiwir ulaong baha ka por ka jingjurep lalap ba ka te ka jaka ka dei ka pedeng yo jong ki kam khayi drugs ka nong ba Shillong.
We know that the police department have already filed cases against us. Actually today, this evening, just before coming to this meeting, I received a notice under section 41A that I'll have to go to the Sadar police station tomorrow at 1 p.m. to go before the investigating officer. Not only me, the Vice President Don Bokolang Kyrwoh has also been issued Section 41A. He'll be going on the 30th, and then Isaac Basayoman, the Secretary, he'll be going on the 31st of this month. Actually, we came to know about the case only through newspaper reports till today when we received the notice. I mean, we have no comments to make because the police has already done its job. Our job is to, if they call us for an investigation, we'll take part in the investigation and we'll answer to the IO. And if a case is filed or before the court also, we'll take part in the legal process. We have nothing to say against it. What led us to that? First, we have to go to the history. On the 26th of April, we went for an inspection. We found out that those people are illegally settling there. Not only that, during our drive against drug abuse, most of the people that we have apprehended, they told us that the epicenter of drugs supply in the state of Meghalaya or in Shillong is that place. And then we have went for joint inspection with the district administration. Almost a month have passed. These people from the 26th of April, we have got the names also of those people who are engaging in this drug supply. They have left that place. Actually, they have left that place. But then on the 22nd of this month, we came to know that those people have came back to the place. So on the 23rd, that's why we went to the place with an intention that we should get those drug supplier from there. And most of the houses are locked. Most of those people, when they heard that we came, most of them have left. Of course, our objective is, not to allow these illegal settlers to remain there. We have informed the district administration. We have given a letter to the defense estate officer, who is the owner of that land, who claimed to be the owner of that land. But even after a month, no action has been taken by the district administration or by the defense estate officer. So that maybe, and with an intention to go and search for those people who are illegally selling drugs, that led us to that place on that day. As far as we are concerned, the matter that is sub judice is only regarding 3 persons who are fighting the eviction notice. There's one firm who is in front of the shop, then there's that scrap dealer, 2 scrap dealers. The rest of that place is not under the case also. So we don't understand why it is said that it is sub judice. As far as we understand, we have even been given by an affidavit by one of the person who fought the case, saying that the rest of the land is not even under court. There's nothing in the court also. In the court, there's only 3 cases, 3 persons, only those shops were in front of the places that we went on that particular day. So saying that the matter is sub judice, I don't know. For us, it is not under sub judice. Maybe the district administration. Today, actually, we were supposed to have the meeting in order to clear that out. But the DC has cancelled or postponed the meeting to some other day.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong. Ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai ki ration jong menta ubnai.
Ha ta.
Ba ukhaw iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukhaw plus F, ukhaw fortified.
Ukhaw 45? Henry ba ukhaw 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukhaw ba ai barabor umde ubabha.
Kong. Kini ki jingbam ki bangi Jubab man kasngi ki kta ya ka kot ka khya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya ka met ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya ka met ka phat jongi Ila banyo ya kejingpang dunasnam mat kejing bria kikman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dai kumno.
Yo iya kejingtay ya kamet kapan kajungi nak jingbam kabangibam man lakasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jongkine ngengat hagi babun ke jingpang ka sorkar ka persangkar bala banwanra ya ka kot ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ompnyang bam. Kidai bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ke jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki ta ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ne kong nagani ka daw ka sorkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS ka baha na ka benta upaj ba. Ka sorkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan na ka ba kilapha daw khau ba bhatam na ka benta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata ka daw patang da uni ujaj khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da khau 45.
Ba fikrannya ka Jingshah.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.